This is by far the easiest digital side hustle that you can start in 2025 going into 2026. And yes, it's even perfect for 56-year-old brains like mine. I've made over $63,000 last month using this exact method. No product creation, no chasing people, and absolutely no tech overwhelm. So if you're looking for a simple way to start making real income online, stick around, my friend. I'm going to walk you through the exact strategy that finally worked for me after trying all the wrong things first. If we haven't met yet, my name is Wendy. I'm a wife, grandma, and a former 9-to-5 worker, and now I help fellow midlifers discover how to build multiple income streams online, even if they're starting as total beginners. Now, before we jump in, if you want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint that breaks down the exact steps that I took to go from completely overwhelmed to building a digital income that retired me at 55, you can grab that in the details below. Do you need something to sell online? Yes. Plain and simple, if making money is the goal, then you need to sell something. No matter what you do, then a product or service has to be exchanged. That's just how money works, even online. Now, most people get stuck right there. They're like, they stop, they think, what on earth do I even sell? Should I sign up for Amazon affiliate links, sell t-shirts, promote a course? And if so, what course? Well, let me walk you through the 3 things that I tried and then what actually worked for me. So I did try being an Amazon influencer. The commissions were kind of tiny, and I'm talking cents on the dollar. You do need to sell hundreds and sometimes thousands of items to make anything close to like a full-time income. It is doable, but it's slow and frankly a little exhausting. Then I tried print on demand. You make t-shirts, sweatshirts, and with cute sayings. I thought, perfect, right? No inventory, no shipping, easy money, right? Well, no, not quite. The profit margins were low, like $5 or $6 per item. And when you factor in your time, the effort, and the occasional return, like I was working way too hard for way too little. And I was paying more for my Shopify subscription than I was earning. Next, I tried affiliate marketing. Now, this one is smart, and I absolutely still use this today. Like, you promote somebody else's product and you earn a commission when somebody buys through your link. It's usually like 25 to 50%, which is pretty good. Here's what I learned: that affiliate marketing is an amazing bonus income stream, but it's not the best one as your main income. Because again, you don't get the full profit and you don't have any control over the product. So then I thought, what if I created my own digital product? And honestly, that is a great idea. But once that thought, kind of hit my mind, that comes with a bunch of other questions like, what do I even create? Will people even want it? And how on earth do I sell it? Where do I find the people who would want it? And on it goes. It's not that you can't create your own product. You absolutely can. If you don't understand demand traffic or how to get people to see it, you will end up with a great idea collecting dust on your hard drive. Creating before you understand how to sell is like setting up a lemonade stand at the end of a dead-end road. You might have yummy, yummy lemonade, but if nobody knows you're there, you won't sell a thing. You'll be drinking it all yourself. So here's what I recommend you do instead. You need to do your research. What are people already searching for? What problems are they trying to solve? What is in high demand right now? And once you know that, then you can offer a digital product or course that directly solves that problem. That's how you create something that people actually want and are willing to pay for. Now, there was a real shift for me when I stopped guessing and I started focusing on what people were already searching for. Then everything changed. That's when I found a program that not only taught me in-demand skills, but it also gave me the Master Resell Rights so I could earn from it right away. And I thought, wow, this is amazing. That's how I went from trying to sell all the things to $63,000 in 1 month just by offering something that people already wanted through a system that already worked. And hey, if you want the shortcut, skip the trial and error, get your hands on the exact same strategy that I used, grab that free blueprint that's linked below. It walks you through the full step-by-step process. So what actually is in demand right now? People waste so much time guessing what to sell, and here's the deal. People are searching every day for how to make money online, how to work from home, and how to create passive income. They also want to know how to retire early. And actually, Forbes reports that digital marketing is projected to grow to $3 billion a day. If you want to see for yourself, go to Google Trends, type in make money online. It's one of the most consistently searched topics out there. That is why I promote a digital education program, because people are already searching for the solution. I just put it in front of them. So what if you don't want to be a salesperson? Like, oh my goodness, like I hear this all the time. I don't want to bug my friends and family. I don't want to message strangers. And I definitely don't want to be that person who calls people up from high school and say, hey, girl, long time no talk. Do you want to grab a coffee? And then 5 minutes into your conversation, boom, they tell you about this life-changing opportunity. Like, hard pass. Can you say MLM? Here's the truth. You don't have to be salesy to make sales online. People today don't want pressure. They want information, and they want it on their timeline. That is exactly where automation comes in. Automation does the explaining. It guides people through the process. It answers their questions and shows value and gives them space to make the best decision for themselves. So there's no cold calling, no awkward follow-ups, just a clean professional system working in the background. And I call that my freedom machine, because while it's doing all the heavy lifting, I get to live my life. So automation is everything, because here's the truth. Most people don't buy the first time they see something. Do you? You need time, they need trust, and they need follow-up. And that's where email automation comes in. It keeps working after you hit publish. It does the heavy lifting for you so you don't have to. Like, I was literally at a water park with my grandkids, splashing around, living my best grandma life, and boom, sales on my phone. Now that's not luck, that's automation. That's my freedom machine at work, following up, answering questions, building trust while I'm out there making memories. Now, we use a platform called System.io, and I absolutely love it. Why? It's completely free for up to 1,000 email subscribers. So you can get started with no monthly costs. Like, it handles all my funnels, email sequences, websites, and my payment platform. I made 6 figures before ever upgrading to the paid version of System.io. If you want to check it out, you can grab my free System.io account using the link below. So if you're not techie, no problem. You do not need to be techie to make money online. Now, what used to take hours now happens with a click of a button. Sure, you'll need some basics like a capture page, email automation, a way to take payments. Some people try Shopify or Etsy, but they actually take a cut and they charge platform fees. So it's not ideal. Now, if you're building your own product from scratch, I still recommend System.io. But here's what changed the game for me, like totally. When I found a completely done for you digital program with everything already built, like it had the website, the capture page, automated emails, step-by-step training. That was so good for my 55-year-old brain. Live support, a coaching community, and it came with the Master Resell Rights. So I could earn 100% profit from it. Now, I saw a college in the US offering a 10-week digital marketing course for $2,500. And at the end, you get a certificate. That's it. No system, no business, no income. Meanwhile, the program that I joined was a third of that cost. And once I got certified, I could turn around and resell it for a full profit. One sale, and I had my full return on my investment. Everything after that was pure profit. So the simplest, easiest way to start, especially as a beginner, is to find a Master Resell Rights program that has a complete automated system, comes with a done-for-you tools, offers digital marketing training, and includes live coaching and community support. So if you're someone who wants to earn online but doesn't want to build everything from scratch, this is the path that I recommend every single time. You can learn more by watching a free class that I have and just decide if that's a good fit for you. You can grab those details in my description below. So now that you know why I believe this is the easiest digital side hustle that you can start in your 50s and how it actually works, watch this next video right here where I walk you through how I created 13 different income streams, retired at 55, and made over $650,000 in my first year using this exact system. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're just one decision away from a whole new kind of freedom. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.